Hello, friends. There is Zmotion Technology. In last video, we have learnt XPCIE1032H homing knowledge. Today, let's see how to configure EtherCAT for drive and card communication. These are former videos, and each lesson has corresponding video and articles. You can review them for quick start. XPCIE1032H card. Controller can control drive to do motion control. If they are EtherCAT protocol, they can do data communication by EtherCAT. It means EtherCAT configuration is needed. As we all know, drive's configuration file generally is XML file. It is provided by drive manufacturer. For Zmotion EtherCAT motion controllers or cards, it should configure drive XML file as ZML file. Then the ZML file is the file for communication. There are two methods. It depends on your drive brands. Basically, drives of standard EtherCAT protocol are supported. For your convenience, Zmotion has already configured some drives' XML files. That is, you can directly use them. They are already in standard EtherCAT initialization file. You only need to build one ZPJ project. Accept your edited program, put the initialization file into the ZPJ project. Then, after downloading the initialization file into card, they can be communicated successfully. The ZPJ project is the RTSys software file. RTSys is Zmotion own development and debugging software. You can check lesson 6. Here are some examples. They have been configured. You can contact us for knowing whether it has ZML file at first. If the answer for your EtherCAT drive is no, please manually add it. It is easy, because Zmotion has one specified tool. You can download it from website. Then, import it in the parsing tool. Corresponding ZML file can be exported. After getting ZML file, put ZML file and initialization file together into ZPJ project. Therefore, the main operation is transformation in this tool. After downloading it, open it. The first step, open XML file. Choose correct XML file. After confirming the model, set its type. Here, the drive is one with 4-axis type. So select this. And it can be seen real axes and scanned axes in this tool are different. You can set manually. Set it as 4. Now, you can export it directly. Click Export ZML. Next step, add ZML file into ZPJ project. Open RTSys. Connect to card by local at first. Then in project view, right-click Add to project. Choose ZML file. After added, download it to card ROM. ROM means it will save data when powered down. Okay, in this way, XML file has been configured and downloaded for operation. For C#, the same. Here is the C# example. It is also easy. After exporting ZML file, open the C# program, run it. Connect it by local. Then, build or open one ZPJ file. Next, import EtherCAT initialization file. Import the ZML file. At last, also, download into XPCIE1032H ROM. Done, XML configurations are completed. That's all. Today knowledge is easy. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in XPCIE1032H card or other controllers, please contact us. See you next time.